thank you for joining us for this rumor meal. My name is Tenaj Nicole.
And I'm girl Astrid.
And this rumor meal, we are going to tell you the 10 things that we think that you should always have in your makeup bag.
Yes, and I'm sure we're going to have different things.
Little different things. That's true.
But I'm excited. I haven't looked in your bag, so I don't know what
I don't know what's
have.
in your bag either.
I'm interested to see how we differ on this. I'm popping, you know. You can just tell I'm a makeup bag.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna just kind of pull out and explain everything that I have. So,
okay.
I'm trying to think what my first thing is that I do. So first thing that I have in here, of course, is my concealer.
Concealer, okay.
And right now, this is my favorite one. It's the Neutrogena Healthy Skin 3-in-1 Concealer for Eyes. So always gotta have that for, you know, those days that you don't sleep well or whatever.
Yes, I think my first one would also be concealer. Right now I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte because this actually kind of disappears into my skin while still lifting it. And so for those really quick fast faces to lift it right up.
It does, it makes such a difference.
Yeah.
You just go from that.
So we're on the same page there.
Yeah, we're on the same page. And then what I do with that, I love this Wet n Wild contour palette. I know it's supposed to be for like contour, but I totally use it to set my concealer underneath the eyes, and then I use the contour.
I didn't know you use it to set your under eye.
Yeah, I do. I use it to set my under eyes, and then I'll set, because I put my concealer like underneath my eyes, and then I'll prep my eyelids with the same concealer, and then I'll use the lighter shade underneath my eyes and on top of my eyes, and then the contour will be like around my face just to give it a little bit more color, and then I'll use the same shade as a transition color in my crease. That way I don't have to like bring extra eyeshadow.
Okay. So my next piece actually is a powder. Now this, you guys can see, it's kind of worn. It's kind of little.
That is worn.
Because it's actually in my makeup bag. It's actually in there. This is the Black Radiance pressed powder, and I found this at like I think Five Below.
Really?
Something random like that.
Yeah.
And I saw it and I said, oh, that looks like my skin color. Close enough, and that's exactly what it was. It may not be exact match, but it presses right out, and this
I like that.
lifts. It's not as heavy as foundation.
So is that what you do next? Do you do concealer and then you put powder on?
Yes, then I put powder on, and I'm using that with my number 3 thing, this little sponge right here.
Okay.
Yes, and I just
really
and it sets everything in.
So no brush, just the
no brush, just the beauty sponge. Yeah.
Gotcha. So after I set my eyes and I powder my face, I actually don't use like powder eyeshadows. I just use the liquid eyeshadows because they're quick. It's just one swipe, and my favorite one right now is the Stila ones. Yeah. This is so pretty. It's so glittery. Like it brings attention to the eyes. You kind of converted me
on those because I was like,
I know you didn't like them.
Liquid.
They're so good.
But
so
yes,
good.
Yes.
They're good as a base, and they're good at just on their own, just by layering them. And you don't need to mess with like having extra palettes and things like that in your makeup bag. You just get it and go. So that's my next one that I use.
Okay, so you're on number 3. This is the 4th one for me.
Okay.
So I want to do this a combo. I'm kind of cheating right here, just a little bit. I'm kind of cheating. So I use these 2 things. These are liners. These are liners. This is a pencil, and this is a marker. I use them in combination very quickly. I
Still
smudge.
2.
It's 2.
Still 2.
But you can use either or. Either or. And this is black. It has to be black for me, and it's smeared into my lash line.
Okay.
And then I quickly cat it out.
So you're a cat eye.
Yes.
Okay,
and
that's
so
really good.
That's my scent. I always have these 2.
You do love doing that.
Yes.
Yeah. So my next one after I put on the liquid eyeshadow, gots to have an eyelash curler. Gots to have it. I don't even care. Like, I don't even think I need the mascara, to be honest. Mascara is just to make it prettier, but I need my eyelash curler because my eyelashes are straight. They're not voluminous. So if I don't put this on, there's just no point to put on mascara. So this is a must for me. I think if I only had one thing in my makeup bag, it'd be my eyelash curler. So that's my next one.
Wow, I don't think I mean, I love using an eyelash curler. Mind you, every time I do my makeup, I reach for one, but I don't think that's actually in my makeup bag.
Really?
Okay. Not for me. It's because my eyelashes are curled like this, so once something hits them, they just... Okay, all right. I see you. So my next piece actually is to fill my brows in, and I've had this Lancome pencil, and the reason why I like this so much is because it has both this and this, both sides.
You got the spoolie and the pencils.
Yes.
Anyways, so I'm all about like the power of a long-lasting lip. I don't have time to be putting it on throughout the day.
I'm with you.
So I use, right now my favorite one is the Rimmel London, and this is called Provocalypse, and I have it in red, and then some days where I want to be cute, I'll do my pink one. So right now it's just the red one.
I've actually never used that.
That was really, really good. Yeah, so these are really good. Rimmel has a really good one, and then Revlon has their color save one.
I'm gonna have to get into those because I like a lip that lasts a long time.
They last
too.
for everything, girl. Lunch, dinner, talking a lot on the phone, anything.
So where am I on number 5? So in conjunction with that, where you're talking about lips,
yeah,
I actually use this lip liner here.
Okay.
And this is a brown lip liner that is it's a little deeper than my skin tone. And I use this, I mean, this can also be a liner to go on top of the black line for me. And then after that lip line, this lip oil thing has changed my life. I use it all the time. I hear about this all the time, man. It's changed my life. It's basically, it's like a lip stain. It's called Appleberry Lip Oil, and it just, it moisturizes. It does like what Carmex does, but with a tint.
Ooh, I like Carmex.
Yes.
So. Okay, good. All right, so I'm on my 6th one. So of course, I mean, this is pretty obvious. After I put on my eyelash curler, I have to put on mascara. So this is just the Lancome one, but any mascara really will do for me.
Same.
But yeah.
So that's my next one. Mascara.
It was
Great Lash.
Great Lash. The OG in the game.
Oldie but goodie. You're gonna use it every time, and it's gonna be right every time.
I agree.
So I use Great Lash. This is Black is Black.
Black is Black mascara.
I'm with it.
All right, and then I'm gonna parallel you now because I actually also have a brown pencil with a spoolie. And I am more of a drugstore person, so I have the Maybelline Total Temptations, and that's just sometimes, especially if I have like a bold lip, I need a bold.
Yeah, you gotta. It has to line up.
Yeah.
Okay. Good, so. And then I'll go ahead and put my last 2 because they kind of go hand in hand. This is just a nice fluffy brush that I keep, and this like touches up for my concealer. I couldn't think of the word.
You good?
Yes.
Good. It happens.
Yes. This goes for the concealer, smudging out lines if I want to make that liner a little smoky or something like that. Just a nice little fluffy brush like that is great. And then this is also lately this has been something I've been really into lately.
What is that?
This is a mood changing lipstick. It looks like the green that's on my lips right now, but it comes off pink, you guys. Pink. You see that? It's so weird, but I love it because it stains your lips
I would have never picked that up.
Day. I picked this up on accident, and now I love it. And this is in my bag all the time.
That paired with your lip oil.
With the lip oil, it stays on all day.
I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Okay, it all plays. It all comes together.
It does. It does.
Okay, so my next one is gonna be, of course, blush. For those days that I just need to look a little bit more rosy, like I'm awake. And so I just use Neutrogena Healthy Skins. This one works really well for me because I have sensitive skin. But yeah, just blush always saves the day, especially when I've contoured and everything. So that's my next one.
Well, I think you guys, that's a quick, fast pace.
Oh wait, am I done with mine? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm sorry. No, the last two are really boring. It's just brushes. So that's probably why I forgot them. It's just like a face brush. So I'll use this with the palette, contour palette, and then I also use it for like my blush. And then this one I'll use it underneath the eyes, and then also just to contour.
Yeah, and so you guys, you see, you don't have to, get a bulletproof face to get something cute really quick.
Yeah, like you don't need this.
No.
Okay?
No. You just need this. Really, that's all you need.
You just need this.
Now, to do with this is a want. What we've accomplished is a want.
Yeah, so don't put this in your makeup bag. But
this won't make it.
That was really interesting. I like learning what you put and what I put in.
I like markers and
a little bit more similar than
I
thought it was gonna be. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, just make sure you comment below, let us know. If you want to see anything similar to these kind of videos, we'll be rolling them out regularly. If you haven't subscribed, do so and just join our Meal family. Yes. Make sure you select that notification bell, and that way anytime we have these videos coming up, you will be notified.
Yes, and also follow us on Instagram. That's @RumorMeal, RUMORMEAL. You can talk to us directly there. You can chit chat with us. We always talk about little tips and tricks and stuff like that. So.
She talks more than I do, but yeah.
I do. I do.
So hopefully that was a great video for you guys, and we will see you next one. Bye.